On the sidelines of the 2 days workshop that was held by East Africa Business Council for economic operators working in the Burundian small and medium enterprises, the participants in this workshop said that they have benefited from a certain background to face the vast continental market via e-commerce.
This expanded market for all entrepreneurs in Africa, in fact, it gives us a market, a big market for entrepreneurs in Africa. So we learned how we can trade under AFCFTA, especially when it comes to export. Also, it gave us enough information and tools using e-commerce when it comes to trade. Also, it has challenged us because we as Burundians, I'm sure that most of young people, we are like right now, we are not ready to export or we don't have enough information on how we can go trade under AFCFTA. But with this training, our trainers gave us like a clear overview on how AFCFTA works, and it was a pleasure. We got enough. We got informations. We got contact. We got like a good network of young people and youth and women who are ready to go into this market.
Currently, some Burundian entrepreneurs have started to use e-commerce, although the road is still long.
Some of the SMEs already in Burundi are using e-commerce already. There are some enterprises like Baza and Aclis and some of other enterprises that are using e-commerce already. And then for you to make an economic growth or a social change, you need to use all the tools that are available to get enough customers so that you can increase our national economy. But that's a very big target. So now e-commerce comes as a tool. And then most of us young people, we are not ready because we still have some challenges, but I think that with this kind of trainings to raise awareness on the benefit of using e-commerce, and especially under AFCFTA, will be very helpful for young entrepreneurs to go in that in that market, in that big market, especially using e-commerce. So I can say that most of us, we are ready, but what is still missing is the informations and how to use e-commerce. I can say maybe we don't have enough fund to start trade using e-commerce, but we are heading there. They gave us informations, they gave us skills. Now we are ready. At a personal level, I'm ready. I'm building a platform whereby I will be able to sell my product using that platform. At a personal level, I'm ready.
E-commerce in Burundi faces some challenges.
The first challenge I can say is the stable internet. Because when you talk about e-commerce, immediately it's internet. So everyone knows it. We have an internet challenge. But I think that we have BBS, the Burundi backbone system. It's there. I think that it will help us grow with the e-commerce. And another challenge is access to funds, because as an SME, it's not easy to get these developers who can build digital platforms. So it requires funds, money to pay the freelancers. Another thing is the skills, because I cannot manage the enterprises alone. We need many people who are well trained in using and managing those platforms. Like right now, the Ministry of Education is trying to put some digital subject in universities, which is okay. Actually, even in secondary school and some primary schools, they do coding, which is okay, because they are training the younger generation to be ready for the e-commerce.